Welcome to Easy.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in an isosceles triangle, one of the legs is 2 cm greater than the length of the base. If the perimeter is 28 cm, what is the length of one of the leg? Here, let x be length of equal legs of isosceles triangle. As we know that isosceles triangle has two sides equal, and y be length of base. Now here we have given perimeter of isosceles triangle. Triangle is 28 centimeters. So 2x plus y equals to 28. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now also we have given that the leg is 2 centimeter greater than the length of base, that is x equals to 2 plus y. So if we substitute this x in 1, so equation 1 will be 2x means 2 into 2 plus y equals to 28, that is 2y plus y plus 4 equals to 28, that is 3y equals to 28 minus 4 means 24. So divide both the sides by 3, we get y equals to 24 by 3 means 8 centimeters. Hence here we got length of the base is 8 centimeter. So from this, length of one of the leg is x equals to y plus 2 means 8 plus 2, that is 10 centimeters. Hence length of one of the legs is 10 centimeters. That is, our answer is 10 centimeters, and from available options, option B is 10 centimeters. Our correct option is option B. Option B.